We're gonna try to throw this world record breaking paper airplane today, okay?
The Suzanne.
See how beautiful it is.
Yeah, it's called the Suzanne.
Okay? Here guys. Ready, steady, go.
Whoa! Whoa! Guys, that's amazing! Whoa! Guys, it's a great success! Stop, Papa! Papa! Stop! Wherever it went, it needs to get. Because also the people who want to watch. Stop! Reshi bhaiya! I want to show the people also. Came somewhere here. Yeah, right here. Like that. Yeah. So guys, it landed right
Okay.
here behind the leaf. So guys, you see that? You see this part? That's the paper plane, yeah.
Ah, nice.
See, we got it out. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, destroy that like button, click that like button, whatever you can do. And now I'll meet you guys in the next Striker Meg.